So today we're going to make this really simple chicken and okra stew. There's hardly anything to it, doesn't take long, and it's super, super delicious. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. So let's get this one going, shall we? Here's our chicken. So I've got a whole chicken there. It's a 1 kg chicken, which is 2.2 pounds. I've just cut it into pieces. The skin is on and the bone is there as well. 1 can of tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped, cumin, 3 teaspoons, chili powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 onion chopped there, and then you can see my okra. Now, I do this, you don't have to do this. I just like some cut really small and some large like that. I just like it in the mix there. These ones will cook down really nicely. Do either or do what I'm doing, it's up to you. Let's get to the cooker. This is really simple and delicious. So very easy. I've got my pan here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using an olive oil. Simply, let's get our chicken and drop it in. Like I say, it's just a whole chicken that's been cut into parts. To that we're going to add some black pepper and some salt. And on a above medium heat, we're going to cook this for about 6 minutes. So our chicken is nowhere near cooked, but we've just got a nice little colour on it. We're now going to drop in that onion, which I've cut really nice and small. To that I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic. And then our cumin and our chili powder. Stay on this lively heat. Let's go for another 4 minutes. Great stuff. Simply, the can of tomatoes, which like I said, I've just roughly crushed with my hand. And then I'm going to add some water. If you wanted, you could add some chicken stock or something like that, but I'm just going with water. Just going to lower the heat down to a medium. I'm going to let that go now for about another 5 or 6 minutes. You know, help cook out those tomatoes. Give it a stir every now and then. Like I say, this is so easy. We're nearly done, by the way. Okay, in the final stages, we're going to drop in our okra. Like I say, I like some cut small and then cut it in half. And I also leave the nib on. Some people just cut that whole thing off, but I keep that on. Get a little mix in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to get a lid on this. And I'm going to drop it right down to a simmer now. About another 6 or 7 minutes on a nice low heat. Give it a stir every now and then. If you want, I'm just going to leave mine actually. And it's done. Okay, let's jump in and take a look, shall we? And that to me is looking beautiful. Check that for seasoning. You might want to add a bit more salt and pepper if you want. I'm super happy with that. Nice, easy chicken okra stew. Really tasty. Super, super easy. Doesn't take that long. That's fantastic with rice, I think. Just some plain white rice. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's going to shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.